got you a 2014 CLS 550. Really beautiful car. Mint. I've always loved these cars. But Tim won't let me get one. I don't know why. Why won't you let me get one? Ask your brother. Got factory converters there. I'm going to show him that now. Another factory converter there. Then believe it or not, these are resonators. A set of resonators there. A secondary resonator there. And then a rear, usually rear mufflers, but we did a rear muffler delete there and there. And the tips are built into the bumper, so you don't have to replace them, as you guys can see right there. There's the two mufflers we cut off right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Back it up. That was an eco mode, guys. This is regular. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, a little bit more throaty. All right, guys, I'll let you hear it on the inside. CLS 550 rear muffler delete. Sexy little car.